The all-new Toyota BZ4X SUV is about to revolutionize the battery electric vehicle (BEV) market with its springtime arrival at dealerships across the United States. Boasting an impressive EPA-estimated range rating of up to 252 miles per charge for the front-wheel drive XLE model, this 2023 vehicle is sure to make a great impression on customers with its starting price of $42,000. Furthermore, saving up to $5,000 in fuel costs over 5 years compared to the average new vehicle. As stated by the EPA, the BZ4X marks the beginning of Toyota's Beyond Zero series and its commitment to elevating BEVs through human-centricity. This fantastic car is just one of Toyota's electrified vehicles that took up around 25% of US sales volume last year, including hydrogen fuel cell electrics, hybrids, and plug-in hybrids, all aiming towards achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. In addition, there are plans to increase their global offering to 70 electrified models by 2025, comprising 15 dedicated BEVs, which has already seen them put over 20 million electrified models on roads around the world, reducing CO2 emissions equivalent to that of 5.5 million BEVs. The BZ4X takes automotive design into a bold new future with sleek futuristic styling and tech features complemented by SUV-like capability. Offered in two grades, XLE and Limited, in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions, passengers will benefit from 42.1 inches of legroom on the front seat and 35.3 inches for rear seat passengers, plus 27.7 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, ensuring those long drives remain comfortable. What further sets the BZ4X apart is its X-Mode system, optimizing traction control and stability control among other systems. This ensures a stable drive in whatever conditions you face, all while still providing an eco-friendly alternative as part of Toyota's mission statement, launching 3.5 million BEVs globally in 2030, working towards carbon neutrality by 2050. If you're looking for a stylish, high-tech and environmentally conscious option, then look no further. The BZ4X is here. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.